No, you're not.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are.
Why?
Because that's the rule.
I'm not drunk.
Okay.
Breathalyze me.
We are.
We are.
When we get
When we go
inside.
inside.
No, right. Go inside of what?
Say that again?
Go inside of what?
Inside of our police
Headquarters.
station.
On July 17, 2025, at 11:20 p.m., a Monmouth Beach officer pulled over a rental car for making an illegal U-turn, triggering a tense roadside standoff when the driver grew intensely combative over providing her paperwork.
Hi, how are you? Monmouth Beach Police. Do you have your license, registration, and insurance?
Yeah, so I'm like in the middle of getting a new car. This is a rental car.
Okay. When I get all your documents, I'll let you know.
Why?
Because that's how it works. I just want to know documents.
So what do you need? Because it's a rental.
Your license, the registration, and the insurance. Does it come with some type of...
car, and it's not mine. It's my dad's.
Okay. Do you at least have your license on you?
Car.
Okay. Does it have any type of insurance
Why
in
are
it?
you pulling me over?
When I get all your documents, I'll let you know. I want to know who I'm speaking to first. I want to get your documents.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because you made a U-turn in the middle of Ocean Avenue, and you can't make a U-turn. Do you at least have your license on you?
I have like a temporary license.
Okay, can I have it?
It's like in my home.
Okay, can I see it?
Well, like, okay. So it's like coming
No problem.
to the 18th to 13th.
Okay, is it New Jersey? Yeah?
I have like tickets too. So
You have tickets?
Yeah.
For what?
like my old car.
Okay.
I missed like a date, so I have to re-go to court
Okay.
on the 27th. So like we could just not have it right. Like it was just like expired, and then like
Where are you coming from tonight? Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight? None at all?
I had like a glass of wine.
Just a glass? Okay. Unfortunately, I'm just pulling you over because you made a U-turn in the middle of Ocean Avenue. Alright, just hang tight for me. She smells like alcohol. She's kind of a mess. I don't even know. She had a temporary license. I guess she just...
What's her, where's she from?
Honestly, I don't even know. She got it, so when I email you, she's kind of giving me a hard time to even give me the license. She said it's a rental car, so I just took the number off of her, I'm going to run her license, but I'm going to try and pull her out.
Right.
If you wouldn't mind just stepping out of the car for me, I just want to run you through a few tests. I just want you to perform some tests, and then you'll be on your way if not.
Oh, okay.
Just because of, you smell I smell alcohol. Okay, no problem.
I paid a LIGO, so I just can't see that well at night.
Okay, what? Do you have any issues with your eyes, contacts, glasses, anything like that?
But like not blind, but just I can't see that well at night.
Okay, no problem. Is it just not being able to?
Like I can't see. Like I have a little bit of night blindness.
Okay, but any glasses, contacts, anything like that?
I need them, but no.
No? Okay. Okay, no problem. Can you see the tip of my pen okay?
Yeah.
You can? So what you're going to do is you're going to stand with your feet together with your hands down by your side. Okay, can you tell me what color it is?
Black.
Black, okay. I know it's a silly question, I just have to ask, okay? So you're going to follow the pen, the tip of your pen, the pen, with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? You're not going to move your head at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess it's kind of weird.
Okay, I'm just... You follow it with your eyes.
I don't really want to do this.
Okay, I'm just testing your eyes to make sure that you're okay to drive. Do you want to continue the test? No? Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay, no problem. Can you just stand right here then?
What does that mean?
I want you to stand right over there.
Like, what
Do you want to do any of the other balance tests?
No.
Nothing at all?
No.
Okay.
Like
Can
what
you
happens if I say no?
You can
I just
refuse.
feel like this is dumb.
Okay. You
Well,
can
technically
continue.
it's not. So what do you want me to do?
No, it is up to you.
But,
Just
like what if you refuse? Is that bad?
well, I'm gonna have to base my decision off of what my observations thus far.
So you want to give me a ticket?
No, I don't want to give you a ticket. That's why I'm having you perform
What do
these
you want me to
tests. If you want to continue the tests, I can continue the tests. If you don't want to continue the tests, I'm gonna make my decision off of what I've observed thus far.
So
Can you stand closer to me? Okay. I want you to follow the pen.
Fine. Okay. Sorry. I'm like this all the time.
Okay. Can you see the pen? Okay. Can you stand with your hands down by your side?
Yes.
Can you see the pen? Okay. Keep your head straight. Yeah. Okay. You're gonna follow with your eyes and your eyes only.
Sorry. I'm not trying to just...
Do you want to do the other two tests first, and we can come back to this?
Okay.
Do you want to continue the tests?
I'll try.
Are you comfortable walking in those shoes? Because they are very tough. Can you stand forward to me? You're okay walking in them? Yeah? Okay. Okay. So you're going to pretend that there is an imaginary line in front of you, okay? A line.
Shit, I'm slicing, but okay.
Okay. So you're going to put your left foot on that line. You're going to stay in this position until I tell you to begin the test. Do you understand these instructions?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, put your hands down by your side. So you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line. I'm going to explain the instructions. You're going to stay in the starting...
Heel-toe.
It's whatever you want. If you're more comfortable in bare feet, then go bare feet.
Right. 9 heel-toe tests.
And you're going to put your right foot in front of your left. And I didn't tell you to start yet, okay?
So I'm not... Okay. This is a hard test. First.
Okay, so you're going to put your left foot on the line with your hands down by your side, touching heel to toe.
Yes.
Okay? 1, 2, 3.
Sashay.
You're going to take a series of small steps down that line. At the end of your 9th step, leaving your lead foot planted, and you're going to count back 1, 2, 3. Look again. Okay, you're going to look down at your feet. You're going to count your steps out loud, keeping your hands down by your side. touching heel to toe, and taking 9 heel to toe steps. Do you understand them or no? Do you want me to re-explain them?
9 and 9, right?
9 heel to toe steps with a series of small steps, leaving your lead foot planted on the line, and 9 heel to toe steps back. To turn around, leaving your lead foot planted on the line, and another series of 9 steps back down the line.
Okay, so count to 9 that way, and then what do I do at the end?
A series of small steps.
Okay.
Do you understand these instructions?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2. This is like your drunk test, but like I'm not drunk. This sounds so ridiculous. 5. I'm gonna fail this. 6. I swear, I'm just like, it's bad. 8, 9. Bullshit government test.
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Is that how you wanted to complete the test?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay, am I drunk or not?
With your hands down by your side, you're going to stand with your feet together. You're going to pick one foot, either of your choosing. It's going to look like this, approximately 6 inches off the ground. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. So that foot is going to be parallel to the ground with your legs straight, and you're going to count aloud in the fashion 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on. Stop. Do you understand? Do you want me to demonstrate it again?
Yeah, what if I say like I'm done?
Observation. So if you would like to stop the test, you can stop the test.
I would like to stop the test. Am I drunk?
Okay,
So by now, am I drunk or not?
Well, I'm going to base my decision off of my observation. So just hang out here for a second. If you don't mind, I'm going to speak to my other officer. Yeah, just hang out there. It's fine.
The confrontation boiled over into a chaotic physical arrest after the driver abruptly cut off her field sobriety tests, blasted the exercises as ridiculous, and fiercely refused to step out of the vehicle.
Can you step back out of the vehicle for me? Okay, that's fine. You can go inside and you can do the breath test, and then we can proceed from there. Because that's how it's going to go. Can you please step out of the vehicle? Because I'm arresting you for driving while intoxicated.
I'm not drunk.
Okay, that's based off of my observations. I gave you multiple times to perform the tests, and this is my decision based off of my observations.
I'm not drunk.
Okay,
I'm not going there.
okay, you are. Okay, that's fine. We can go inside, and we can...
Where?
Inside of our police station.
Why?
Because I'm placing you under arrest.
Why?
For driving while intoxicated. I smell alcohol.
No, you don't.
Okay, gave you ample time to perform these tests. Can you please step out of the vehicle?
No. This is not good. This is
You gotta get out.
good. This is not correct, and you know it.
Okay.
Or what?
Pull you out.
DUI.
I don't have these DUIs. I'm not drunk.
Okay, then if you don't step out of the car willfully and we have to pull you out of the car, okay, then you can prove that when we get inside.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No. That's an additional charge to just the DUI.
Why are you giving me a DUI?
Based off of my observations.
I don't got a glass of wine.
Okay. Then we can prove that inside.
Every 3 weeks.
Okay.
Your dad doesn't care about it.
Okay.
So if you want to fucking arrest me, you're gonna fuck up that. So you know what? You can think what you want in Monmouth Beach, but that's the truth. So if you want,
Okay.
there's enough shit going on,
Okay.
and you're fine with that. You don't care.
Well, I gave you ample amount of time to perform the tests.
The fucking shot-out test set up to fucking fail, so that you guys can get what you want, money out of whoever the you want. Like, come on. No, I'm not stupid.
So you want an additional charge on top of...
No, I want you to do the right thing and arrest somebody that actually deserves to be arrested. And it's not me.
Okay, well,
This is a traffic offense right now. Do you?
so can you please step out of the vehicle?
No,
You're not going to step out of the vehicle.
no.
So, well, this isn't court, so we're not going to deliberate that now.
Great, so like, why don't you find someone else?
Okay. So will you please step out of the vehicle?
No,
Either get out willfully or we're gonna pull you out. Do you want a
not.
criminal charge?
it's not a traffic event.
It
I don't
is.
do anything.
Do you want a criminal charge
it's just
now?
tickets.
You're
And then
saying,
it's gonna be another charge.
you're saying I have a DUI. Like, I'm good. I don't have a DUI.
Charge. Right now, it's motor vehicle. If you don't get out of the car, you're gonna get resisting arrest, and then it'll be a criminal charge.
I'm good.
All right. Well, you have to get out. We're either pulling you out or we're gonna get you out.
No, this is bullshit.
Okay. So,
Well, you have two options. It's getting out of the car willfully, or we're dragging you out of the vehicle.
Okay.
so you want to get pulled out?
No, I want to come in.
You put it on the back of the car. If you get out of the car, yeah. Just get out. Okay, here's your phone. Now get out of the car.
You can't do that.
You have to get out of the
You can't,
car.
like, withhold my
Okay,
stuff.
here's. We're not waiting all day. You're either
Yeah,
getting
we're not
out right
waiting
now
all day.
or we're pulling you out. Come on,
Where am I putting the car?
we're towing it.
What are you doing?
You have to get out.
You're getting out of the car.
And where am I putting? No, you're not.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are.
Why?
that's the rule.
I'm not drunk.
Okay.
Breathalyze me.
We are-
What is it?
You belong
You
inside.
go inside.
Breathalyze what? I'll do it now.
You can't. We don't
you
have
can't.
it.
It's not a thing. Say that again?
Go inside of what?
Inside of
We
our
have
police
headquarters.
station. It's not a thing.
Oh, that's bullshit.
It's New
Okay.
Jersey. Okay, so you want to get dragged out of the car?
No, I think this is fucking fucking insane.
Okay. Well, you're either gonna get out or we're gonna drag you out.
Yeah, I am.
One or the
You
other.
literally have two
You're
options.
getting out
If
of
we
the car,
drag you out, you're
regardless.
getting additional charges.
And it's criminal charges.
And
Or motor
you're getting
vehicle charges.
fingerprinting.
Nothing. I did nothing wrong.
Okay. Well, you're refusing
what
to get
the-
out of the car right now, so that's
no,
wrong.
I'm being like harassed
Okay.
for 5 fucking seconds here.
Okay.
Can you get out?
No.
Then we're pulling you out. Do you want a criminal charge?
What's the difference?
Well,
Resisting arrest.
right now, you're just getting tickets. Well, you made the U-turn in the middle of Ocean Avenue. That was
Can
the
you just
reason.
find someone else? Like, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Leave me alone. I'm tired. I want to go home.
Okay, you can go home when we're done with this.
No. I'm not a criminal. I'm not going in the back of a cop car.
You
Both
are.
of you can no.
You're getting.
I'm not going in the back of your car.
Okay,
You
well,
are.
you are.
No, I'm not.
That's how it works. You're getting out.
There's nothing wrong with me, and you guys can literally. No.
Come on. Let's go.
No.
Come on.
No.
Get out of the
Get
car.
out of the car. Why?
Come on.
Why?
Let's go.
Because you're getting arrested.
For what?
DWI.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
I didn't drink.
Get
I'm not
out.
drunk driving.
Get
Okay.
out of the car.
Get out of the car.
I'm
Multiple
not.
times.
I'm not drunk driving. I'm not getting a
You're
DUI.
getting out regardless.
I'm pulling you out of the car in 3 seconds if you don't get out of the car. I've asked you kindly.
Why?
Because you're getting arrested.
For what?
Drunk driving.
I'm not drunk.
Okay. You
Great,
can.
I'll get an Uber if it's like that. But like, I'm
No,
not.
you're not getting an
going-
Uber. You're coming with us.
No, I'm not.
No, you are.
No.
Because
Why?
that's not how New Jersey works.
Why?
I don't know. Ask the lawmakers.
You either get out of the car or we're charging you with resisting.
Get out of the car.
We're giving you another opportunity. You either get out. If you get criminally charged,
Because you're gonna tell the truth as to where I'm going in the back of that car. Like, no.
We're going to our headquarters for DWI. You'll go home tonight.
you said you have a 3-year-old at home. If you
You're
get
gonna try to
criminally,
give me a drunk driving thing.
No.
Do you
If
want to
you
go
should-
home tonight or do you want to go to jail tonight?
if you,
Hey, for resisting arrest, you might go to jail for the rest of the weekend.
Ew.
So get out of the car.
you will not see a judge until probably Tuesday morning at 8 a.m.
That's disgusting.
So you're gonna either get out of the
Like,
car.
This is disgusting.
So
Okay.
get out.
So you're either going to see a judge at 2 o'clock in the morning if we end up.
Tonight in jail.
No.
No, Jill, you're
Mon-
going inside.
Monday,
if you
probably.
go to jail tonight
No, like right now.
for maybe 45 minutes, maybe.
Okay. How about like, no. I didn't do anything wrong.
You're going.
I'm not.
Uh,
To where?
Our headquarters.
In Monmouth Beach.
Correct.
No, the f-
Okay.
The f- I'm not.
You are. Driver.
What?
Get out of the
Get
car.
out of the car.
Get out of the
Ow!
car.
Get out.
Get out of the car.
Ow! Get off of me! Get off of me! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Turn around.
Ow! What the f-
Turn around.
Ow! 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 Are you kidding me?
Could have been a lot easier.
Ow! 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 My arm! Stop!
I can't see it.
Following the arrest on July 17, 2025, the driver was transported to the Monmouth Beach Police Department for processing and an official breathalyzer test. Her late-night decision to argue over a standard traffic stop for an illegal U-turn rapidly complicated her legal standing once she refused to complete the roadside investigations. In court, the prosecution relied heavily on the body camera footage to counter the defense's claims of an unlawful arrest. The recording clearly documented the distinct odor of alcohol noted by the responding officer, alongside the driver's erratic behavior during the initial stages of the field sobriety testing. Her persistent refusal to finish the physical tests, followed by her decision to lock herself inside the rental car and defy repeated lawful commands to exit, firmly solidified the state's case. Ultimately, the driver was convicted of driving under the influence, DUI, resisting arrest, and reckless driving. She was ordered to pay heavy fines, required to install an ignition interlock device, and handed a mandatory suspension of her driving privileges. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.